So here it's my old seat, and I decided to go for new seat. So I'm gonna go for another seat like this. Look at that. Yeah, really nice seat. So it's nice. The seat should be here, and it's we need to lower down. That's it. And for that reason, I cut all frames, as you see. Yeah, and now I'm gonna join somehow and put new seats. Look, I'm gonna fix new seat like this. I'm doing dirty job today. Look at this. Dusty. Yeah. What is good? I'm making new cover. Look at that. So now it's gonna be. Oh, you can open, and you can see. This is heart of the bike. Yeah. So very easy to change, modify. Before was covered with a fabric. Now it's rigid color. Yeah, like in a car. Open and you see engine. Very nice. Yeah, the old ventilator is not working. Something happened. But in this, here, gonna be new and bigger. 80 watts ventilator. Yeah, I'll show you. So you see, this 40 watts and this 80 watts. Painting. Yeah, final coats. You see, final coats. So today I'm gonna check the motor of the bike motor. As you see, it's all painted, all ready to go. Just I wanna check the motor, because when it's turning I hear some noise. I'm gonna check, maybe some is dust or some little metal dust, you know, inside is touching the magnets and the rotor. So if you want to see what is inside, I'll show you now. Okay, open. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, this is ventilator, new ventilator. Because old one was smaller, and this is twice powerful. I'll show you how it works. Oh. See, it's powerful, good. Yeah, and here it's a heart of the bike. Yeah, I unscrew those screws. Yes, and we're gonna see what is inside. Ah, one more thing. Do you know what is this? Maybe you saw somewhere that part. Maybe you saw somewhere that part. This is temperature sensor. Yeah. And this is special temperature. This is special temperature sensor. And what is this? Yeah. Here you can set the temperature, and when the sensor reaches the temperature, they start beep. And it's quite cheap. It's from is 7 or 10 pounds, and it's from IKEA because it's not specialized for bikes. This is specialized for meat. Yeah, you see, package IKEA. Yeah, this is cooking thermometer, but it works very well because it's up to 250 degrees. Yeah, I putting inside my motor. Yes, we have to remove this. Yeah, we don't need this now. Okay. Come on. Oh, yes. You see, 4 brushes, that's good. 4 brushes. Long brushes. Good. Yeah, I see some dust. I see some dust. That is not good for here. It's not welcome. This is heart of the engine. Oh, so powerful magnets. Yeah. You see? Yeah. Yeah, little oil. Yeah, supposed to be. Oh, looking good. Yeah, what I wanna check? I wanna check those plates, metal plates. I wanna check is it some mark or no mark for touching those magnets. You see, here we have 4 big magnets. And also you see those holes in the back? I did those holes. It's funny, it's electric motor, but it's no holes, it's no ventilator. So it's like for wheelchair, for slow motion. Okay. Okay, camera on, let's do test drive. Let's get 12 volts. Yeah.